Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about WeChat Pay or WeChat Wallet. Quite a lot number of people have been asking me a lot of questions about if they can actually withdraw their WeChat money as a foreign user, and I'm going to show you right here in this video. So everyone, I decided to make this as a video so everyone will be aware of the possibility of withdrawing your WeChat wallet from your WeChat balance to your foreign bank account as a foreign user. So let's find out. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to open up my WeChat right here. I've opened up my WeChat. I will go ahead and click on me right here. Then proceed to pay and services. Proceed to wallet. Proceed to customer service center. Now here you are. It's just an FAQ question. Simply scroll down right here and read this article right here. So open up the article. Then you have the detail right here. Can I withdraw cash after linking and topping up my foreign credit card? Dear user, currently only international credit cards are supported for payment to merchants. The functions of red packets, transfers, top-ups, and withdrawals are temporarily unavailable. We apologize for any inconvenience this might cause you. Thank you for your support and understanding. What this simply means is that for every foreign user, you can only link your bank card and use it for payments to merchants in WeChat Wallet. The function of red packet is not available for foreign user. Function of transfer is not available for foreign user. Function of top-up is not available for foreign user. And likewise, withdrawal is not available for foreign user temporarily. In future, WeChat Wallet might decide to allow foreigners to have access to this. But at the time of making this video, red packet is not allowed. Transfer from wallet is not allowed. Top-up with your credit card is not allowed. Then withdrawals from your WeChat wallet balance is not also allowed. This is what you need to know about these particular questions right here as far as WeChat wallet is concerned. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.